Today we are going to be unboxing some of the biggest plushies in the world. To find the biggest squishies, we had to source manufacturers. And I'm not exaggerating when I say that these are probably the biggest you can find. I've done giant squishies where I reviewed like the biggest squishies that I could find. I've done, that's basically it, right? And then like I made like the giant Penelope. Do y'all remember Penelope the pineapple? Y'all, I had to discard of her because she was like peeling and then she was just a mess. Like she was literally falling apart. And then it got to the point that she was just bald. Like she didn't have anything left. It was just the foam and she just looked crazy. So we had to get rid of her. But anyways, that's like nothing to do with this video. But you know, I've done like the giant squishies and stuff. But I did also make a squishy out of my head, guys. I've done like some crazy squishy content. Something about plushies has the world in a chokehold right now. Like plushies are it. Squishies? Haven't heard of her in a bit, low-key. For today's video, we were like, we need to find the biggest squishies there is on this planet. Oh, squishies. Dang. I'm so used to the squishies. You can't find these squishies online easily. In fact, y'all, to find the biggest squishies, we had to source manufacturers. Did I say squishies again? And if you guys think they're cool, let me know, because now we know who makes them. And I might put them up in the shop. Oh my goodness. If this is not the cutest pig you've ever seen, not me, the plushie. Okay guys, so this pig,
they call me Mr. Pig.
We need to widen up a bit because she's a big girl. Guys, you might see a kitty in my corner and that's because we got a new kitty, guys. This was actually a stray kitty that my brother found and brought it home, and she is a queen. Anyways, so we have this giant plushie. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, first of all, like, I don't know what it is about the obsession with the pigs. When you start searching up plushies, like, there is a crazy obsession with pigs. Like, they're just so cute. And this one happens to have a crown. She's literally a queen, guys. It's holding a milk bottle. Like, are you kidding? It's literally a baby pig, but she's massive. And when I tell you guys, like, these are so squishy. So they come vacuum sealed, like literally vacuum sealed. And I have a couple plushies that I'm gonna open up on camera just so you guys see how compressed these are. They literally come, like, this was probably like this size. And then you open it up and it starts to expand, expand, expand. And then it becomes this giant squishy pig. Like, how adorable is this? Can we please give her a name? I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. Like, it doesn't get cuter than a freaking queen pig with heart ears and a milk bottle. Like she's just so cute. I just don't want to like move on because like she deserves all the camera time. Queen. Ah! You guys, are you kidding me right now? Hello, this is the cutest thing ever. Like, these freaking plushies are the cutest thing to exist. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, and why wouldn't you want a gigantic plushie? They're big, but also it's kind of like a pillow. This is giving me like pregnancy pillow. Kind of, well, not really. She's a little short. It's just a boba, but it's like jumbo and it's thick, and I just feel like everybody needs a jumbo plushie. These are so cute. I'm obsessed. It's like a chocolate boba, and they actually had a variety of different ones. They had options. They had the strawberry boba, which is pink. They had a blue one. They had a yellow one. They had orange. They had all the colors. The eyes, the kawaii of it all. Like, I'm here for it. It's so adorable. And she has a straw and she's so cute and squishy. Like, so adorable. What should we name her, guys? I'm gonna give her, you know what? We're not even gonna rate these because they're all a 10 out of 10. Like, they're so freaking cute. Who doesn't love plushies? Like, are you kidding? Let me know which ones y'all want to see in the shop. Next up, we have a unicorn coming up. Oh my gosh, you guys are not ready. Guys, this freaking unicorn is killing me. She is like, she's long and she has a horn. Obviously, she's a unicorn. The pastel of it all, like, and then like it has a tramp stamp and it says bling, and it's just so cute. The hands of it all, oh, well, the legs. This one's like long, but I feel like the biggest one so far, like this pig is, she's a big one. This is literally a pregnancy pillow right here. She's a big girl, and they're so light and airy too. Like, they're light but big and like so squishy. The squishiest things. Oh my gosh, I love you. I love you. It's giving Despicable Me when she's like, you're so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Or what did she say again?
You're so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
So cute, y'all. So freaking cute. Crazy. Oh my gosh, let's open up some other ones that are still in the package because I want to show you guys how these come packaged. We have the box, you guys. Listen, girl, she's pretty big, but I just don't know how big these are gonna be. Oh my gosh, it's literally like, it's opening up. Okay. These come super like vacuum sealed, guys. This freaking box looks like it's gonna explode. I don't know how they physically get it to close up. Like, I don't know how they do it, but like the entire thing is covered in tape, like literally wrapped in tape. She's about to blow, girl. Boom! I was kidding. The packing has to be crazy on this because they have to make sure it doesn't just like pop in transit. Jesus! It's growing. I gotta get her out. She's growing. Okay. Ugh. This can't be the only one. I think there's 2 in here. I don't know if they forgot my other one, but I just don't know how it makes sense for there to be 2 in here. It's just no way. There really is 2 in here. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Holy shit. Not me killing the cat, girl. What's going on? Oh my goodness, you guys. This is just insane. I just don't understand how they make them fit. I'm gonna start off with this one because it looks like it's smaller. This box looks like it's been through it. Like, yeah. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I mean, this alone is the size of that box. I don't know how they do it. Like, they have to fluff up. Like, they don't come perfectly fluffy like these. They look a little funny when you get them at first. This is so cute. Is this a dumpling? It's just a bunny and it's giving dumpling. So I was like, I need her. I need her. When you first get them, they're super compact. All that cotton is just like all balled up. I gotta fluff this up, guys. Like, just fluff her up. Over the days, it just goes to its full fluffy capacity like these. I've had these for a little bit longer, so they're fully fluffed up now. Come on, girl. Wake up! Wake up!
Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha. Oh my god, she dead.
Okay, guys, I think this is the best that she's gonna fluff up for today, because like I mean, poor thing has been squished in transit for like a month. Oh my gosh, I think it's like a bunny bun. Oh my god, is that the new name? Bunny bun? And then she has a little flower and she's bouncy. Like, they're so massive that they almost have like a bounce to them. I can't do it. This is so cute. And like, I know she's not even at full capacity and she's already this iconic. Oh my gosh, I love her so much. That over there is gonna be a struggle to fluff up. What the? Oh my gosh, she is deflated the house. Like, so deflated. And it's so heavy. This is literally a freaking mattress. Okay, so it looks like this is a face. Okay, she literally looks like she needs some life right now. This is her face. Okay, no, she is so deflated. She's just, it has a giant pocket. Wait, I think this is for like a human to go in and crawl in there. It's literally a bed. She needs to fluff up for real. If she is this massive, deflated, I just don't know how huge she's supposed to be, because even feeling it, it's hard. How do you even begin to like fluff something up like this? Jesus Christ. Okay, this is actually kind of fun though. Ouch! Ugh. It's just so much. It's just so much fluffing. I'm gonna break a sweat. This is literally a twin bed. There. Holy crap. Okay, so she's not as fluffy as I thought. Guys, I might just take a nap. I'm not kidding. If I had a friend sleeping over and I didn't have an inflatable bed, I just throw this plushie at them. This is actually comfortable. And then like the head is a pillow. This is so cool. There's no way on earth I could fit in this pocket. Let's try it out. It's literally a blanket. Guys, you're kidding right now. This is actually crazy. Like, what? This is wild. Mia, I got your new bed, queen. It's hot as hell in here. Literally, a freaking mattress came in that 12 by 12 box. Mia, get in here. You fit in here too.
Want to try getting there too?
Oh my gosh, Mia, this is literally our new bed.
Wow.
Guys, this is all we need. This is crazy.
Yeah, it looks comfy.
Oh my god, I love this so much. It's hot. It's a little hot in here, huh, queen? Oh my god, there's no way. Oh my god, Raul! You're gonna break her back, food. Guys, Raul is really risking his life right now for what? Oh yeah,
Like a giant kangaroo bear. There you go.
I'm obsessed. I don't even know which one's my favorite. I'm literally sitting on this giant bear. It's giving beanbag. Like literally, I think I'm gonna use this every day. I could literally sit here and watch a movie. I could fall asleep on it. I could take a nap on it. I could go in the sack. I am in plushie heaven right now. These are huge. Like I don't even know which one's the smallest one. Like the Boba and even her. Like look at her. She's huge. I'm actually getting tired here. I'm literally gonna fall asleep. This is amazing. Life is great. Thanks for watching. I love y'all and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's time to go take a nap. Bye.